Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to uncover a hidden mathematical pattern that governs, well, literally both the physical and the digital worlds. We're looking at this brilliant structural secret that is just hiding right in plain sight.
So let's just dive right into it. What do a simple cube, a four-sided pyramid, and your classic black and white soccer ball actually have in common? I mean, they look completely different, right? But if you were to sit down and mentally count the vertices, the edges, and the faces of all three of those vastly different objects, you might think you'd just end up with a random jumble of numbers. But actually, you wouldn't. You'd find this incredible hidden link tying them all together. Because what emerges every single time is a really simple, totally consistent pattern. Regardless of how intricate or complex the shape gets, the exact same mathematical pattern shows up. It literally does not matter if you've got a shape with 5 sides or, 5,000 sides. As long as it's a solid, convex shape, this underlying blueprint, it remains completely unchanged.
Section 1. Euler's formula revealed. The skeleton key.
Okay, get ready, because we're about to hand you the absolute skeleton key that unlocks this whole geometric mystery. It's called Euler's theorem for polyhedra, and it states that for any convex polyhedron, the number of vertices minus the number of edges plus the number of faces always equals 2. So V minus E plus F equals 2. Think of this formula as a profound universal secret that perfectly mathematically balances out three-dimensional objects.
Now, the absolutely crucial takeaway here is that number 2, V minus E plus F, will always equal exactly 2, not 1.9, not 3, always exactly 2. You can dream up the most chaotic, jagged, crazy, multifaceted convex shape imaginable, and when you actually sit down and do the math, it will always collapse elegantly down to this one single digit. No way, right? But it's true.
Section 2. The topological secret. Understanding the why.
So knowing the formula is great and all, but we really need to understand the why behind it. This deep relationship actually relies on a pretty mind-bending, kind of squishy mathematical concept called topology. Specifically, the idea that all of these shapes can be continuously deformed into a sphere. Like, imagine your cube or your pyramid is just made out of perfectly moldable clay. Topology doesn't really care about rigid edges. Because it's a closed, convex shape with no holes in it, you can just seamlessly mash and smooth the whole thing out into a perfect sphere.
But here is the absolute golden rule of topology. No cutting and no gluing. As long as you don't puncture a hole in that clay and you don't rip it apart to stick pieces back together, the underlying structural consistency remains totally unchanged. And because a polyhedron can be smoothed into a sphere while following those strict rules, its specific combination of parts will always, without fail, balance out to exactly 2.
Section 3. Proving the math. Using a standard cube.
Okay, it's one thing to talk about squishy clay, but let's actually prove this abstract theory using probably the most universally understood solid shape out there, a standard cube. So if you count along with me, you're going to find 8 vertices, 12 edges, and 6 faces. Let's plug that right into Euler's formula. 8 minus 12 is -4, right? Add those 6 faces back in and you get exactly 2. The math works perfectly every single time.
And honestly, this brilliantly illustrates our next point. This mathematical magic holds absolutely true across all extremes. Whether you're looking at a simple tetrahedron, which actually scratch that, just think of it as the simplest 4-sided pyramid you can possibly make, or an incredibly complex geodesic dome with hundreds of intersecting panels, the result is identical. That fundamental rule of V minus E plus F equals 2, it literally never breaks.
Section 4. Real-world geometry. Building our world.
Now, this isn't just some neat trick for math class. This simple rule literally builds the modern world we live in. In computer graphics, software actually uses Euler's theorem to validate 3D meshes, which ensures your video game environments are mathematically sound. In chemistry, it's foundational for understanding complex molecular geometry, like carbon fullerenes. In architecture, it allows engineers to calculate the structural integrity of those massive geodesic domes. And in network theory, it helps analyze really highly complex graph structures. Basically, this one simple formula is quietly doing all the heavy lifting across arts, science, engineering, and data. It's a real game changer.
So, we've firmly mastered the relationships hiding inside solid shapes, right? We know the universal secret of the number 2. But what happens when we flatten things out? What about, say, non-right triangles? Does a similarly beautiful rule govern them? Well, you just have to join us for our next explainer on the law of sines to find out. Thanks so much for learning with us today.